Hey there, beautiful. Today we are back with another dance fitness routine that you can do in your own living room. And today this one is brought to you by Cierra. She did a beautiful routine. I'm going to say beautiful because it's a whole lot of twerking. Okay, so this one's to a song called, this makes me laugh, Twerk Something. Twerk Something. Put that on there, a little picture on there for you guys. It's by 5 Alarm. So you can do this at home. You can come and join us in class. If you like this routine, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Stick to the end. I'll give you a little bit more information of where you can find us or if you want to do some on-demand classes. All right, guys, go be awesome.
This is Nate Tail Drake. Yo. Nah, I want 10 for the top and then 10 for the bottom. And if you're looking for the clapping cheeks and turquoise got 'em. Way I'm shaking, got their jaws dropping, making them droop. And keep on tipping big faces, cause y'all can pay for my school. All the way from Strokers, Magic City and back. Ass and titties nice and round, yeah, it's fat. Making it for it, pulling pearls, work the pole up and down. Got the sneakers crossing the eyes, they acting the clown. While them table dancing for your own seat, no man. I'm just seeing dollar signs, so I get what I can. Making it for it, pulling pearls, work the pole up and down. Got these niggas crossing their eyes and acting the clown. Now left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Twerk, 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 twerk. Left, right, 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 left, right. Twerk, 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 twerk. Yeah, it's the twerk team, and I'm the freaking queen. You got the cash, you got the green. I want the check, you keep the D. Kitsy like Calypso, body with the Nico. Booty shaking all over the place, crazy like CeeLo. Don't you wanna give me your green, take your money? I don't want some, I want all of the money. All of the coins, not that kind of jingle. I don't wanna go on a date or mingle. I just want you to empty your pockets, give me bread, I don't want your freaking bread now. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Twerk, 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 twerk. Left, right, 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 left, right. Twerk, 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 twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk.
Well, what'd you think? Are you hot and sweaty? It was amazing. Did you twerk? Did you shake your booty? I love dancing, especially because you can do it anywhere, right? You can do it in your home. You can come and join us in a class. You could even do this in Target. Hey, no judgment. You do it where it makes sense for you. But the thing about it is that you can lose weight just dancing and not having to worry about sucky workouts or doing burpees or jumping jacks. And look, I know I like burpees, but I'm just saying there are other options that you can do. And if you like this and you're local to Louisville, you should totally come join us for a class. And I'm going to put the information down below where you can find us. First class is always free, and there's tons of options that you can pick from if you would like to continue on with classes, from a full gym membership, or you can do drop-ins, or you even can do like a punch card for your group classes. If you're not local to Louisville, or if you're like, girl, I'm not ready just yet for the gym, you can totally check out our on-demand classes. I will also put some information below on how you can get access to that. It is $9.99 a month. Okay, it's like less than $10 a month. You're like, Jamie, that's just a penny, but still, it's less than $10 a month. You can totally sign up. You can quit anytime you want. There's no contract, but it gives you access to a gazillion. It's not really a gazillion, it's like 200, but that's a lot. You can get access to classes where you have hip hop cardio, hip hop tone, and even some booty camp. All right, guys, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. I always say it goes towards our fund to buy some more black leggings. All right, guys, go be awesome.